Testosterone. It's not just about bigger muscles or a stronger libido. It's about energy, focus, recovery, fertility, and overall vitality.
My name is Ben Greenfield. I'm a biohacker, celebrity trainer, nutritionist, New York Times bestselling author, and world-renowned speaker. I'm on a constant quest to uncover powerful and practical health hacks to awaken, unlock, and unleash the full potential of the human body, mind, and spirit.
Today I'm digging into the world of testosterone optimization, fertility, and hormonal health with insights from one of the sharpest minds out there, Dr. Cameron Sepah.
Concerning drops in testosterone have been a big issue, and a bigger issue particularly the last 50 years.
Plastics, sedentary lifestyles, and poor food quality are just some of the reasons behind this drop. Side effects of low testosterone include, but are not limited to, low energy, low libido, infertility, and decreased vitality. But there's smarter ways to fix your low T than just a needle to your glute. Well, first, let's start with the basics of testosterone. Testosterone production in men is regulated by what's called your HPG axis, your hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis.
So your hypothalamus releases something called GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, and that is what signals your pituitary to release LH and FSH, luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone.
LH signals your testes to produce testosterone, while FSH stimulates sperm production. Testosterone, in turn, converts to estrogen via something called aromatase, which helps your body regulate this entire system. What happens when you introduce a lot of, say, synthetic testosterone? Well, that natural loop gets disrupted and your body shuts down its own testosterone and sperm production. And that might not be a good thing. Now, traditional testosterone replacement therapy, also known as TRT, is like putting your testicles on a permanent vacation. It shuts down your natural production, shrinks testicular size, and can make fertility a distant dream.
Enter something called enclomiphene. Enclomiphene is a selective estrogen receptor modulator. I know that sounds like a mouthful, but basically, it tells your body,
hey, we're running low. Start producing testosterone naturally. No dependency, no pesky ball shrinkage, and your fertility stays intact.
And you know, when it comes to testosterone, I had a fascinating podcast with Dr. Chem Sepah from Maximus.
The difference between blood work of someone on TRT versus enclomiphene is TRT, their LH and FSH levels, as we talked about, are going to be near zero because you're shut down. Your testicles are going to shrink and you're dependent on it. If you go off of it, you're going to feel pretty bad. With enclomiphene, your LH and FSH levels actually typically go up because it's essentially telling the body, hey, you don't have estrogen, produce more. It actually makes your testicles bigger. Ironically, the studies that show the higher dosages, it actually increases testicular volume. It increases fertility, total motile sperm count, which is a key fertility marker, actually goes up. So it makes you more fertile as a man. And it generally doubles testosterone. The other advantage is there's no dependency. If you just stop taking it, you'll just go back to your baseline levels. You won't be shut down like you will with TRT. So it's a lot safer of an option because it's not a lifelong option. Obviously, you can choose to take it if it's benefiting you, but you're not dependent on it. And so the huge advantages for guys under 50 or anyone who wants to maintain their fertility or have kids, it's a really great option because it's not that drastic kind of lifelong decision that you need to make. And you can prescribe it to men as young as 18 because it doesn't mess with their fertility, and in fact, it enhances their fertility.
Now, the key advantage here is that enclomiphene preserves the natural rhythm of testosterone production, which is critical for maintaining long-term hormone balance. Your body's natural peaks, highest in the morning, lower in the evening, are maintained, avoiding the massive spikes and crashes often seen with injections.
Maximus, Dr. Sepah's online clinic, doesn't just stop at prescribing testosterone. They go way beyond that.
The team makes testing and tracking easy with an at-home blood testing device. You get real-time insights into your total testosterone, free testosterone, estradiol, and other key markers like liver enzymes and hematocrit. No lab visits, no hassle, just real data.
So if you're serious about optimizing your testosterone levels, the science is pretty clear.
Maintaining your natural testosterone production is the smarter, safer choice. Enclomiphene, paired with the personalized protocol, offers a sustainable solution without the downsides of dependency or suppression. If you want to learn more? Well, check out my podcast episode with Dr. Sepah at bengreenfieldlife.com/Maximus podcast. Or visit Maximus Tribe directly at bengreenfieldlife.com/Maximus.
So, you can optimize smarter, not harder. And as always, stay boundless.